Welcome guys, today in this video gonna to show you Google Chrome black screen how to fix. So guys, if you went to Google Chrome black screen, so very easy, open Chrome browser. After click on three dots, after click on settings, scroll down, click on advanced, scroll down, and here option system, and here use hardware selection when available, so toggle off position, that is. After click on relaunch, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to Google Chrome black screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.